So, guys, for those who are willing to study in the US, those who are seeking for scholarship, I'm gonna be bringing you information that will help you to study in the US free of charge. I'll be telling you about scholarship which ranges from 70,000 to 50,000 US dollars that will help you to fund your studies in the United States of America. And apart from that, you can also, even if you have finance for your study, you can also get support for your living expenses and other things you may be needing money for. So today, I would like you to stay tuned as I take you through this scholarship process, from application process to interview to things you need to expect, documents you need to submit it, and what eligibility criteria that will help you or fetch this scholarship for you. So guys, I'd like you to stay tuned. I'm gonna take you through my screen. So guys, for those who are new to my channel, my name is Martin from Finance Oracle. I bring you information that helps you to achieve your migration dream, either through education or through study. I also help you with business, how to set up a business and run your business successfully, because I'm an entrepreneur. So I'd like you to stay tuned with me as we go through this process together. And I wish you the best of luck. So guys, this is the scholarship I've just mentioned in my video. The 2025 to 2026 competition is now open. Application must be submitted by the national deadline of October 8, 2024 at 5 p.m. So this scholarship actually is open or every year, and the last date of submission is October of every year. So for 2025-2026 section, the scholarship is open. That is the Fulbright US Students Program. So if you're studying US universities, you are eligible to apply, or if you are seeking for admission in any US university, you can apply for this scholarship. So you can see there's a video here. I will just play it before I go into the scholarship proper. So let's just have a look.
I always believed that I had a story to tell. This program was going to allow me to do that.
I actually never thought in a million years I would get it.
I had a lot of doubts.
Am I good enough? Will I be able to complete this grant? Will I be accepted?
I think I've met other people that came from a community college, people who've come from all sorts of backgrounds that said, I never really thought that people like me ever applied for a Fulbright.
Doesn't matter if you're a person of color, first generation, don't have a 4.0 GPA, you should apply for Fulbright.
I just want you to hear it for yourself that this could be you. You will absolutely be an awesome applicant. You just have to try. Once I started applying, I just felt like there's no other option. I wanted it so badly.
I went in with a lot of hesitation, and I'm so glad that I didn't let my own self-doubt stop me from applying.
We have a limited time on Earth. A big part of being human is traveling and trying to understand and connect and study.
Where is she? Oh, there she is.
So for a student who really wants to get a different impression of their life, I'd encourage them to think about Fulbright.
What you gotta lose? If I get it, I'm good. If I don't get it, I'm good. But when I got it, I freaked out.
I was able to get the Fulbright. I never thought this was possible, and it's completely changed my life.
I ran and told everybody I knew, like, I'm on my way.
Yeah, so that's the intro video, and just to encourage you that you can actually apply for this scholarship and become successful. You know, some persons were doubtful if they could ever be successful in the scholarship because they think it's a rigorous process, but then it's just become done on them that they can actually do it, and they did it. Okay, so this is the step, but I'll come to the step. Before then, I'll just take you through a number of things getting started. So you may want to know the things which you need to do to get started. So, and the type of award, there are different types of award. Let's just go through it together. Yeah, Open Student Research Award, the Fulbright Student Study Research Award is the traditional award opportunity where a candidate designs a proposal for a specific country. So you can read the country summaries for more information. English Teaching Assistance Award, the Fulbright English Teaching Assistant Program place grantees in schools overseas to supplement local English language instruction and to provide a native speaker presence in the classroom. You can also read more. Then the next is special programs. Fulbright Fogarty Fellowship in Public Health. The Fulbright Fogarty Fellowship are offered through a partnership within the Fulbright program and the Fogarty International Center of the U.S. National Institute of Health. This award were established to promote the expansion of research in public health and in clinical research in resource-limited settings. The Fogarty International Center (NIH) will provide support to the research training site and may provide orientation for the fellows at the NIH. In addition, NIH will provide a pre-departure orientation to selected fellow in Washington, D.C. The next is Fulbright National Geography Award. The Fulbright National Geography Award program seeks proposals that undertake an in-depth examination of globally relevant issues as an add-on to the Fulbright Open Study Research Project. Funded projects will incorporate science, storytelling, and/or education, and must align with one of or more of the Society Five's focus area: ocean, land, wildlife, human history, and cultures of or human ingenuity. This award is made possible through a partnership between the U.S. Department of State and the National Geographic Society. So you can read down the rest of them. So this is just like for you to know the types of award. So you can look at the study and research awards. For the study and research awards, applicants for study and research award design their own project and will typically work with advisors at foreign universities or other institutions of higher education. The Study Research Award are available in approximately 140 countries. Program requirements vary from country to country. So the applicant first step is to familiarize themselves with the program summary for the host country. The Fulbright Scholarship 2025 application process. The Fulbright Scholarship is a wonderful opportunity for you to study in the US. It gives you the privilege to move to the US to study on a fully funded basis. Okay, and currently the application is open. So if you want a fully funded scholarship, then this is the opportunity. Okay, application is usually in October of every year. Okay, so you can apply before October. I mean, application deadline is October. So the Fulbright Scholarship for 2025-26 is fully funded for all international students who are studying for master's degree or PhD studies. So if you are studying master's or PhD studies, you are eligible to apply for this program. Okay, we also have a program for undergraduates, but this is not the scope of my video today. So the Fulbright Scholarship Program covers full tuition fees, a living stipends, full accommodation costs, airfare, and health insurance. That means that most of your worries are taken care of. You've gotten full school fees, I mean your tuition fee, stipends, accommodation costs of air freight, air ticket, and even health insurance. So this is sponsored by the U.S. Department of State. The Fulbright Scholarship is a government flagship for international education exchange initiative. Okay, they use it to foster mutual understanding among nations through education and cultural exchange. So scholarships are awarded without regard of race, color, national origin, sex, age, religion, socioeconomic status, disability, sex orientation, or gender identity. So it is open for everyone to apply. Okay. And this scholarship aims at providing opportunities to diverse group, including those from economically at disadvantaged background like minorities and traditionally underrepresented groups to study at U.S. institution. And this merit-based scholarship offers 2 to 5 years of funding for graduates and PhD level students study or research at a US university. Okay, so if you want to get this, you have to be studying in a university in the US. So let's look at the scholarship summary. Level of study is master's degree or PhD. The institution is a university, a US university, an academic institution. You have to study in the US. Course offered is all fields, including interdisciplinary programs or courses. Then the program period varies by program. Up to 5 years, you can get this funding. Application deadline varies by country within February to October annually, and October is mostly the deadline. Like now, you have until October 8th to apply. So this is the summary of this. Like I said earlier on, the benefit include full tuition coverage, living stipend, air flight or etiquette, health insurance. The eligibility criteria for this is number one, to be eligible, you must meet the following requirements. One is English language. There's an English language requirement, so do not be scared of writing IELTS or TOEFL. You have to do it for you to get this. The next is the countries that are eligible is international students from 155 countries, of course, including any most of the country you can ever imagine are all there. I've gone through the list. Program eligibility and selection procedure varies by country, country by country, okay? So you need to refer to your country to see this. The Fulbright Scholarship for 2025 provide the following. So what are the process? The process, number one, you need to make an online application. Number two, you need to prepare academic transcript and degree. Number three, you need to take GRA or general test and TOEFL. And number four, you need to prepare two essays. And number five, you provide three recommendation letters. Number six, you prepare an academics resume. Number seven, you submit the online application. Number eight, you go for your interview. So these are the process for this scholarship. Okay, I hope you don't find it intimidating. It's not that difficult. Okay, yeah. So I will just try to go to the very beginning. Yeah, let's. So here are the application procedures. Number one, you have to confirm your eligibility. Number two, you have to determine, the applicant type, the type of application you want to apply to, the type of scholarship you want to apply to. Number three, you need to select award type. Number four, you review country opportunity because this opportunity vary country to country. And number five, um, you review the application component. Number six, you start an application. So you can go through each of these to see, okay? Yeah, so this is the eligibility requirement which varies by country. And let's also see, you can review country opportunities. So you can see the country list which are actually eligible for this. For example, if you click in Africa, Sub-Saharan Africa, you're gonna see list of countries. So you can see Benin Republic, Congo, Ethiopia, Kenya, Malawi, Namibia, Senegal, Tanzania, Zambia, Botswana, Cote d'Ivoire, Ghana, Lesotho, Mauritius, Nigeria, just all of them. I mean, most of the countries, but all the countries that are eligible. The same way you can also check out, let's say Asia, East Asia. Okay, if we go to East Asia, you can see Australia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Papua New Guinea, South Korea, Brunei, Japan, blah 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 blah. So you can go through them, right? And see. So we can also go to Southern Central Asia. If you go to Southern Central Asia, you see that you have India, Nepal, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Sri Lanka, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan. It's quite difficult to pronounce. So that is it. So, guys, this is about the Fulbright US student program. This program is very rich because it has a lot of things. It's gonna give you fully funded scholarship, take care of your insurance, take care of your fare tickets, take care of your stipends, living expenses and all that. So it means that this is about one of the best scholarship you can ever apply. Sometimes when you look at it, it looks like the process is rigorous. Yes, it could be, but it's not so taxing that you cannot do it. So I implore you to try this if you are planning to study in US or you already got an application in US. There's one of my YouTube subscriber who wrote me and said that I watched one of your video about studying in US and I've gotten an admission with partial scholarship. He can try this and he may also get this I'm gonna also contact him to give it a try, and I hope it works for him. So, guys, this way I'm gonna wrap it up. I wish you the best of luck. I would like to see my next video. Just comment where you're watching from, and please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up. Click the like button and share my video to your friends and colleagues. And I hope this will help you. Cheers. Yeah, so this is about the video, and I hope this is helpful to you. So guys, if this is helpful to you, please do give this video a like and share this video to your colleagues and to your friends and to your network so that this video will go viral. This is the only thing you're gonna do for me to support me in this journey, by commenting, sharing this video, clicking the like button. I hope to see you in my next video. Cheers.